Litter is a growing issue that affects us all. From the aesthetics of a dirty interstate to the cleanup, its impacts are measurable and real. We received feedback from the residents and the elected officials regarding the regular litter that's been occurring out in New Orleans East. As a result, we've reviewed the request and we're installing no litter signs at a number of interchanges along Interstate 10. It varies from year to year, but approximately over 50,000 cubic yards of litter is collected by DOTD. The resources to address these issues is very expensive, time-consuming, and it takes away from other functions that we have to keep the road in serviceable condition. As part of our routine duty, Secretary Wilson has tasked all of our maintenance crews with doing a post cleanup after they perform regular duties. We try and just do a little cleanup and at least try to get a bag, no more than 10 minutes, but just to clean up the area that we work. It's important that everyone does their part, from disposing of litter properly to helping out to potentially even volunteering with beautification groups. It takes all of us to ensure that there's no litter on the highways, and it takes all of us to keep Louisiana beautiful.